Hello YouTube, welcome to the next video of Java. And in this, as promised, I couldn't talk about if and else in the previous video, but I thought that okay, in this video I'm going to talk about if and else. So I was thinking of a thing that idea to where we can use it. So I just thought one, and what I thought of were some checkboxes or something. So just let's go over to our NetBeans, and yep, it's right there. It's the same one. No editing at all. So what I'm going to do is that you see there are these 4 buttons what you had to write the code for. I'm going to delete them. Instead, in place of them, I'm going to place something known as radio buttons. These are just any normal things that we get. So we just get 4. If I had gone ahead of 4, I'm sorry about that. Which I think I have. Yeah, I have gone ahead a lot. Yeah, so these are the ready buttons, and now I'm just going to name them plus, minus, divide, multiply. Now these are selected, like if you can select. Now, if they're selecting, let me show you that what they have error. If I just place random radio buttons, this is what I can do. I can select all 4 of them simultaneously. That's not what we want, right? So for that we have something known as button group. You select all these, and here I was talking about the properties in my previous video if you have watched. So there is this button group, and just set it to button group 1. There you go. Now if I run this code again, let's see what happens. Can I select all of them together? I can, so that's what our button group does, and yeah. But now I need an equal to button. In my first one I hadn't an equal to button, but now I require an equal to button. So let's go over to this equal to button, and let's talk about it. So I was talking about if and else is what I was going to talk in this video, and now I think you must have understood how we're going to use it for this. If you haven't, don't worry. Let me explain it through. So I'm just going to check which of the following has the user, which of the following buttons or checkbox radio buttons has the user selected. According to that, I will proceed with my calculations. So if I'm to write down my steps, I'll first get the input. Alright, this is the basic. So let's get over with our input, and we're using double again. I already have told you what double is. I think I had deleted my previous buttons, didn't I? So yeah, I think most of us know what double is by now, and that's why you must have been watching part 3. Otherwise, you can go over to my next video where I have told what double and integer, float, long, etc. are. So, and I've talked about assignment and all that stuff as well. So let's get this and parse double. Is this one right? It should be. Get text. Get text. Okay, just testing my patience. So yeah, we have it. And with laziness, I'm just gonna copy it. Okay. There we go. We have done with our input. Now it's our process. And this is where I was talking about if and else. So yeah. Let's see. Look at the words I'm gonna say. What if otherwise, else. These are some of the synonyms and stuff that's used for comparison. If A is this, if the else is that, and what is this, and what is that. So we'll just go with if, and let me just show you what the syntax of if is. Something like this, and then comes else, again like this, and voila, khata, finished. So first condition in if is if J radio where's my space button, button 1 dot is selected. If J radio button 1 is selected, then what we're gonna do is that okay, then you will see that there is an error when I will do this. Double C equal to A plus B. There should have been an error, but there isn't. I don't care then. So we just completed this. Now, you see, I'm just writing one line. For one line, we don't need these braces. To be honest with you, we don't need them. If our code is just going to be one line, you listen to my words carefully. If they're just going to be one line, otherwise you need them. You still need them? Why? Thought you didn't. But anyway, cause this thing is getting nuts, I'll just place it. Like, yeah, I don't know, but otherwise it doesn't require. Else, what if another button is selected? Yeah, we have to think about that too. 2 is selected. Oh, this is so hard. I'm just gonna copy and paste this. Really, just lazy. Yeah, so just copy and paste it. No one's gonna check how much you can write. It's more how much logic you can make. Because this is what I took Java as. How much logically I can think and how much I can put it up. Because like Control Alt, it's quite easy to hit. Really it is. So the reason I'm doing this full because this is like a very important part in Java because comparisons will always be there, and there will be times when I'll be writing a long if and else codes. Yeah, no, I don't know how many of you know the word switch, but if you do know, well, congrats. Because sometimes we'll be using that as well. So just, I think the 4th button was this. Nice. And then we're just gonna finish with this, and last is our output. So what is output is just gonna place the text and text with 4. C plus. Alright. I knew something was gonna be wrong. It is now. Before you begin, you need to specify a C variable. Now, there is a reason I did that. And that's what I was saying. This thing was becoming wrong. I remember it soon. So you can, if you're using, if you assign it once, there's no need to declare it twice, firstly. No one's gonna check how much you can write. What's up with this? Oh yeah, something's wrong. I forgot dot set text. Oh gosh. So much problems. Yeah. So here we have it. It's another simple code. We're just gonna keep C0 in the beginning because initialization is important. When I was talking in the previous video, I thought I had talked about initialization, but I just remember I hadn't. So whenever you write this equal to whatever, it's actually an assignment is initialization. So like in this case, I hadn't done any initialization and just created all these codes. And now I can remove these braces because now they're just one-liner codes. To prove I'm right. And I wasn't wrong earlier. You see. And then it's the same code. And it works fine. I see. So, yeah. I've selected this. 1, 2. If it doesn't give 3, don't worry. Yeah, it does. Subtraction. Division. Multiplication. Yeah. So all the buttons are working, and this was a short intro on if and else, but I think all the things that we're going to do will require if and else. And so there may be 3-4 more videos regarding this. I don't know. Depends. If I have time, I'll make them. If I don't, I won't. So thank you for watching the video, though. Hope you liked the video. Subscribe to the channel and wait for my next video. Thank you for